Here is the new Miniverse Make It Mini Spa first series. Here are the different options. They have bath bombs, sugar scrubs, and soap. But I got the grapefruit bath bomb. Tells you which one you have on this side. Shows you all the ingredients and how to make it. And it comes with all of these ingredients. I have an unboxing video if you'd like to see that part, but it comes with enough to make 2 separate batches. I'm only making 1 right now, and this is all the stuff it comes with. If you buy Miniverse, you know some of them come with these little mini post things. This is a new one. It's cute. It's like a little health and beauty one. Very adorable. And this display thing, it's the ball that it comes in, like this, and it turns into a little tub. And you can put this on it, which is adorable. Bath bomb mold, this little squeezer thing, and a bowl to mix the bath bomb powder with the essential oil, 16 drops, the grapefruit oil, essential oil. So 16 drops. Add this bath bomb powder and mix it until it is dissolved. It said mix till fully dissolved, or when you add the fizzy powder, it can cause a reaction. This little loofah. So cute. Okay, here's the fizzy powder, which is citric acid. Now I'm going to mix it. It smells good though. Like, actually smells good. And I think this makes 2. So I guess this pack actually makes 4. It comes with 2 of these each. So this is what the mold looks like. And this is the tube you put it in. Just pack it in there. And then put the lid back on and wait. It's okay. How am I gonna use it? I think I'm gonna fill this little mini tub with water and put it in there. Oh, oops. Both sides of this mold come off. Yeah, of course. I'm definitely gonna make a video of me using it too. It might be live, I don't know yet. Depends what time. You can kind of see it's already like a ball, obviously, but it just needs to harden. That's all I can do for now, really. I have to wait for them to mold. But I will make a video of that. And then put them in this little bathtub. It has been about an hour. Well, way longer actually. And I'm going to take these out of the mold now. It says to use warm water, so I have that. Okay. Here is the first bath bomb. Cute. It fell apart. Maybe it needs longer in there. So I think they're pretty fragile, or I'm scared it is. This one is way better. So cute. Now, let's put it in the bath. It does smell really good. Smells amazing. So cute. Here's the one that broke.